This video brings immense joy to construction contractors and building foremen, leaving them curious about where to get one. This is evident from the numerous comments on this video post. Some even argue that this technological advancement could lead to increased unemployment. Just take a look. This modern tool requires only one person to lay bricks as it effortlessly lifts them into place. Once atop the building, no human assistance is needed. The bricks fall into position on their own, while the device continues to rotate, delivering more bricks. Truly remarkable. What's your take on this?